Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your device runs Android 10 or higher, and enable USB debugging or ADB over network. Once done, install the Dynamic Spot app from a trusted source and note the version. This avoids incompatibilities. Now prepare to grant 3 critical permissions: notification access, accessibility access, and screen overlay. You do this early because the app will not function until each permission is granted. So, plug in cable or connect ADB, and let's move to permission steps. You now grant permissions and configure behavior. First, enable notification access so Dynamic Spot can read and mirror notifications. Confirm which apps are allowed. Then enable accessibility to allow interaction gestures. This enables swipe, long press, and tap responses. After that, allow the overlay permission so the floating bubble can appear above apps. Once permissions are active, open app settings to set priority, battery optimization exclusion, and auto start so the spot won't be killed. Make those choices based on your usage. You finish by customizing appearance and testing behavior. Adjust size, position, animation speed, and timeout so the spot matches your workflow. Smaller for minimalism, larger for accessibility. Once configured, test with several apps and incoming notifications to confirm touch targets and gestures work reliably. If things go wrong, first recheck and regrant notification, accessibility, and overlay permissions. Then exclude the app from battery saver and background restrictions. If it still fails, restart the phone and retest. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.